Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I just woke up, so bear with me here. It's 8:29 p.m., so I figured I'd upload this video. Um, I know it's crazy. My schedule is all messed up right now. But anyways, I had a question from somebody who says, "What do you think of auto blogging?" For the record, guys, I've spoken about auto blogging before, and I'm totally against it. At least this current day and time, 2023, June 12th. At this point in time, auto blogging is not where it needs to be. And maybe there will be a day where it's going to get somewhere better, but it's not where it needs to be. To be clear, for anybody who doesn't know what auto blogging is, it's essentially where you only do one thing and you provide the topic for the AI, and it does everything else from creating the content to uploading the content to finding the the subtopics, the keywords, the everything you could possibly think of, right? Using the HTML markdown, everything you could possibly think of, it will do for you. I'm totally against auto blogging currently. The reason why I say that is because people that do auto blogging all run into pretty much the exact same thing. They're not helping their blogs, but they're hurting their blogs, especially if they already get some SEO traffic. And I'll explain what I mean by that. When people use auto blogging, they think it might work because they get more impressions. In the beginning, that's always the caveat. But what auto blogging doesn't do for you is it doesn't look into the nuanced details, the things that make one blog better than the other, or significantly better than the other. Excuse me, my voice is a little raspy right now. I don't know what the hell's going on. Anyways, it doesn't make one blog significantly better than the other, and it pops out these mediocre blogging concepts. One of the reasons why we added AI content or the ability to design to write AI content right within Rocket Web Builder is because I saw the natural failure of auto blogging. A lot of the times when you give a topic for the AI to write about, even if you use ChatGPT, even version 4, it will write for you an article that maybe is like, let's say, 1,000 words, maybe. And it will provide this article, but it will miss a lot of the most important things that need to be addressed. From an SEO keyword standpoint, the particular LSI that the algorithm is looking for is not going to be all fulfilled, which it just essentially, you're racking up impressions. When you're in position, let's say 22 for your website, you're not really improving the site ever. The tragedy is with auto blogging, most likely if you don't have any what's it called, blogging authority. Once again, just woke up. When you don't have any blogging authority, you use auto blogging as a brand new blog, you're gonna get impressions and impressions and impressions and impressions, and then a year down the road, you're gonna wonder, why is my blog getting all these impressions, but I don't even have a single topic that has surpassed position 10. All of my blog posts are in position 40, 35. I've created thousands of blog posts. And guys, you could actually see live examples of these on Flippa. Flippa is a perfect example of this, okay? I'm always in the market to buy a blog. Always. Like, there's never a time where I'll say no, right? But if I look at some of these blogs, and a lot of them are built off auto blogging. For example, the other day I saw a blog that literally made $0 and 0 cents, and the seller was advertising how great of a blog it was, but it generated no money and had hundreds of thousands of blog posts on there. Do you think that a blog that has any sort of value with hundreds of thousands of blog posts on there wouldn't make any money? Wouldn't have any ranking? Wouldn't have any traffic whatsoever? The blog had no traffic. All it had was impressions. And the blog, I think, nobody's bidding on it. I think it's currently at set to buyout price is $1,000 or something. It doesn't generate income. So what's the point of buying it? The answer is there's no point. It's vanity metrics. And what I mean by vanity metrics is in the world of I guess you could say e-commerce, branding, blogging, there's a lot of these metrics that people rack up to make their business look better than it actually is. But there's only one thing that actually matters, and it's the money that you make. And none of these blogs are actually producing a large amount of income. Now, you could sit here and tell me, no, that's not true. There are some bloggers who start off with really good blogs and then they do auto blogging and they're supposedly getting more results. But you have to understand they already started with blog authority. They already started with authority. Their website was already on, producing traffic, maybe 5,000 hits a month, 10,000 hits a month. And when they're using auto blogging, once again, it's not producing any significant ranking. In fact, we actually see blogs that have this auto blogging stuff on them that the content dies off. So just to be clear, let's not confuse auto blogging with AI technology. If you're on your website and you tell the AI to write like a little paragraph for you or a little section of your website or even the whole website, but you're controlling it manually every step of the way, that is not auto blogging, right? That is the opposite of auto blogging. But if you are, for example, just literally giving a topic for some software to do everything else for you, and you think that blog's actually going to rank on Google, you're fooling yourself. You're fooling yourself. And the real tragedy is for people who actually have a website that's already doing well on Google. If you already have a website that's doing well on Google and you start doing auto blogging, you're not going to improve your site. You're making it worse. You're making it significantly worse over time. Once again, I've spoken about this before, guys, but there is nothing in the world that will replace slow effort over time, or take out the word slow, but consistent effort over time, even if it is slow. That's going to be better than doing this auto blogging thing. And the whole auto blogging thing doesn't actually help people like me and you unless you have a pre-built audience. What do I mean by that? Let's take Kim Kardashian, okay? She can create a blog that is auto-blogged, created by AI, okay? For recipes on how to cook vegan healthy meals, okay? And she advertises it to her viewers. In that case, let's say she advertises it through Instagram to her viewers. She has over 100 million viewers, over 100 million followers on Instagram. If her viewers clicked on that link, read the recipes and clicked on the ads and saw the ads on the website, she'll make money from that. But she's not going to make money organically, meaning those recipes are never going to rank on Google, only because they're auto-blogged. They're not done properly. They're just simply missing a certain point. And this is a perfect example is that I saw a recipe blog on Google that had, I think, about 350 recipes. And it was beautiful. It was a beautiful site. The site existed for over a year. But no traffic. Not even a single visitor. And I just saw a picture of the Google Search Console, but not a single visitor. Why do you think that is? Not a single click. It's auto-blogged. And what dawns on me and what's confusing is why certain you can quote-unquote call them SEO experts, right? That sit here and say, oh, hey, guys, there's this amazing software that I'm trying. Basically what it does is auto-blogging. And I've mentioned some of those softwares, and I'm not for them at all. I don't promote them. And they act like they actually use them. But they know that they're not beneficial. And if they don't know them, they're not beneficial, how are they SEO experts? How could you be? And I can tell anyone here watching this, any single human being listening to this, I dare you to do auto blogging. Go buy a website, a hosting plan, set up the domain, right? Buy some auto blogging software, and let the AI, you just simply give it the topics, and let the AI curate the whole content by itself, and you don't add a single word to the content. And just sit and wait for 2 years. Let's see how the articles are going to do. Nothing. The answer is nothing. But you can go ahead and try. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So you guys if you're out there listening, and if you think that you're just going to give the software a few words, a topic of a blog, and it's going to do everything for you, you're fooling yourself, and you're actually hurting your business. It's not going to work at all. You could actually see some of the live case studies that people use over the course of many, many months, and actually show Google Search Console. I'm sorry, my voice is a little raspy. That you could check these things, and the results are not there. It doesn't actually work in this point in time. Maybe a month from now it will change. Maybe a year from now it will change. Maybe 5 years from now it will change. But currently, at this point in time, through auto blogging, your content will not just rank on Google. It needs to have some human input. It needs to have some research topics. It needs to be drastically improved on. The best way that I think I can relate this to is the image generation AIs out there. If you go out there and you tell the AI image generation tools to make you an image, if they just make the image, that doesn't mean you're making money off that image. You have to now take it and work it. You have to figure out how you're going to upload it to a certain site. You have to figure out if you're going to put it on a t-shirt or a poster. You're going to have to figure out certain things. You're going to have to do certain things to make it happen, to make income from that. And that's very much the same. I can go ahead and tell the AI to produce for me a blog, right? I take that blog post, I put it on my website, then I need to rework it. Then I need to add to it. Then I need to build on it. And by the way, if anybody who's listening who needs help building a blog post, go ahead and check out our How to Write a Super Blog Post plus the PDF checklist, or check out How to Write a Blog with ChatGPT 4. And if you don't know what a regular blog and a super blog post is, go ahead and check out the free course. We go over these things in the free course. I'm actually thinking of locking the free course, not allowing anybody else to get access to it. We're going to see what we're going to do over time. But right now it's open access. You might as well get access while it's open. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.